Next, Havells Insta PT 1600 watt induction cooktop. This is a single hob induction cooker fitted with cooking benefits. This is the best portable induction cooktop. One touch operations, 6 different modes of cooking, variable power control, digital LED display, automatic switch off during high temperature, auto pan detection and auto power off. This is good for your kitchen. 41.2 cm in length, 31.6 cm in width, 11.2 cm in height, 2.54 kg in weight. Pros: faster cook, easy to use, power efficient. Cons: can't use aluminum pans or pot. Check out its price on Amazon by clicking on the link in the video description box.